Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sia if you're new here, and I'm back today with another video. And today I'm doing a review of at-home lash extensions, and I'm excited to see how this turns out. I've never done lash extensions at home before. I've actually never had the lash extensions before, so I'm excited to try this out for you all. You know, I have a series on my channel called My First Time, just my first time trying different beauty trends and stuff, and I have never done the lash extension thing, so I thought that I would try it out today. So what I have is the Kiss Falscara lash extension. So this is pretty popular at-home lash extension kit. It says it can last up to 10 days, so it's super temporary, and I feel like Kiss is a nice trusted brand that has like some pretty innovative things. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna pick this little kit up. I think it'll be cool. It comes with tweezers, a bond and seal, the remover, and then an overnighter seal, which makes it last even longer. And then it has short, medium, and long wisp to put on. And the technique behind this kit is that you put it underneath your lash line. Like normally if you would be using like strip lashes or lashes with a band, you would be putting them over top, but to make them look natural and to give it the lash extension effect, you'd be putting them underneath your lash line. So I don't know, that kind of makes me nervous, like just pulling my eye up and like trying to stick it under there. That makes me nervous, but we're gonna try it anyway. I'm gonna come back and let y'all know how long these last, because I've seen that they don't last 10 days. Like they're really nice, they're really cute, they give you that effect that you want, but they don't last that long. Or they tell you not to remove with water, or like don't wash your face with water, because just like when you would get lash extensions, you wouldn't wash your face with water right away because it can take them off. But I have to use the water because I just don't feel like I'm getting my eye area as clean as it needs to be. So I'm just gonna come back and let y'all know how long these last. So because I have pretty short, small, like hooded eyes and everything, I don't know that I will use the long wisp. I'll probably just stick to the short and medium because I want to give it a natural look. But the first step is that it says brush a light coat of the bond on the natural lashes. A little goes a long way. So, okay, so we need to do the bond. I don't know why this makes me nervous. I think it's because like, oh, I'm supposed to get it underneath my eye, like underneath, like laying it on top is like, hey, safe, fun, cute. Going underneath my lashes makes me a little nervous, not gonna lie. So let's see. Oh, it's a cute tiny little wand. It also looks like there's nothing on here. It's definitely like this sticky, tacky type mascara that has very little pigments is what it's like. Okay, I zoomed it in so y'all could see a little better hopefully, but we're just gonna take this. Ooh, it is a thin band though. Okay, that's it with the medium one. I think I'm gonna do another medium one. It kind of sticks kind of like magnetic. I'm so nervous with it being under my eye, but that does look pretty good. Oh, it looks pretty good. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell. Maybe I need to go up a little bit because like I have my mirror kind of like angled, and it's whew. I don't know, I really like it. See, can you see from this angle? Do you see that? It's just boom, natural. Yes. Okay, this is when I put the short in the middle. So now that I have them on this eye, I'm supposed to put the seal on there, which is then going to take away the sticky layer from off of the lashes. So I'm doing that. And it says it holds the wisp in place. So I'm actually really liking the look. I think it's looking pretty natural, pretty good. And then I just want to let this dry. To make the lashes last for multiple days, you're supposed to use this all-nighter mascara type thing. So yeah, you're supposed to use that, and you can put 2 to 3 coats on there, and this, I guess the more coats you put on there, the stronger the bond is. So I'm just gonna put some on here to see how long these bad boys can stay on my eyes. And, you know, at the end, I have to do a wear test, and I'll test them out and tell you how long they last. It says apply this not on the band, but right above the band. So, yeah. And one thing that I did hear about this Falscara is, like, instead of using their wisp, they also work really good to use it with other, like, full band lashes or other individual lashes. Just use the bond and seal to make your lashes last longer. So that's kind of cool, because some glues, your eyelash be about falling off midday, you know, just not the move. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that sit, and now that this eye is done, I'm gonna do the other one. I think I pretty much have it down where I think for my eyes, the long wisp would be too much, but doing 2 medium and 2 short will work. 2 medium on the outer corner and 2 short on the inner corner. I feel like this stuff is making my lashes really stick together, and I hope this seal and stuff doesn't make my lashes come out, because it's super tacky. And I could see that being a problem. So I will say an issue that I'm having is that I've put bond all over my lashes, and I should have just put it on the section I was working on at that time, because now my eyelashes are all stuck together and it's just not working out that well. So I will say that's like me though, like probably common sense said don't put sticky stuff all over your lashes before you've finished them, like before each section. So I don't know, that kind of sucks, but so these are the final eyelashes. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to find the best angle, but like it's really nice and natural not having lashes come above, like on your lash line, but having them underneath. It makes them look so much more natural. So when I use individuals, whether I'm using this kit or not, I probably would try that technique because it works and looks really, really good. But I guess I would have to use this kit because I'm not putting like lash glue, like literal loose lash glue under my eye for it to get in my eye. But yeah, I just think it looks really natural. I'm gonna put my mirror here. Like if you look straight ahead, I feel like it looks really good. Like I feel like it looks really natural. It doesn't overbear like my eyes or anything like that. It doesn't look like, you don't get the band look. And I think that's what makes lash extensions so, you know, nice, and why people really like them, whether they get them super dramatic or not. It's like, it looks like this is coming out of my eyelid. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what it looks like. Whereas like you can tell when you have strip lashes on. So I really like this. I think I did this eye is like a little bit better maybe than this one, except for one thing I will say with using this kit is that I would just do bond by each section. I just put too much bond and then my eyelashes were getting stuck together, so then I couldn't stick the wisp to the eyelashes, so that wasn't really helpful. And then they just start like, it just started clumping too much. And when they say a little of that bond goes a long way, that is true, because yeah, it was more sticky and more product than I thought it was. Even though it doesn't look like a lot of product is getting off on your eyelashes, it was, and my eyelashes are sticking together. So that's a note for the next time. But yeah, these are the lashes. I'm pretty impressed. Pretty impressed. And this is me like zoomed out a little bit. So from a side view, you can kind of see like, it just looks super natural. Like, I don't know. I'm here for it. I like it a lot. But yes, I'm going to try to wear these. They say you can wear them overnight. They say you can last up to 10 days. I don't know, just from looking at them, like they look really good, but like when I get up in my mirror, I don't think they're gonna last me 10 days. And also, I don't think I'm gonna not, like I have eyeshadow, like a little bit of bronzer and stuff, and I have like I have eyeshadow and I have like concealer and stuff. Like I can't just not get water by my eyes when I'm trying to wash my face. So I don't know. I just can't use makeup remover and be okay with that. Like I gotta get in there. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I will definitely check back in and let you all know. I will say in general, this seems like a pretty safe and easy lash extension at home kit. So I highly suggest it. And literally I got all these products for, I think it was like $18 maybe, or maybe it was 25. I feel like, I think it's like 25. I'll put it down in the description box below, but I think it's a pretty good deal. And it says that you can reuse these wisps too. Like when you take them off with the makeup remover, just make sure you use makeup remover or alcohol to get all the like product and seal and stuff off of the lashes, and then you can use them again. So I feel like you can get a lot of uses out of $25 kit. It comes with some metal tweezers. I think it's a really good deal. But yeah, I will check back in with you all soon. Hey everyone, so I just wanted to pop on here and give y'all my final thoughts. I have lost the footage of me explaining my thoughts and how the removal process went. I cannot find it anywhere, so I was like, I'm just going to hop on here and just do a little voiceover to explain my final thoughts on this kit. I really like the kit. I really love the natural effect. I feel like I get the lash extension effect without it being too dramatic. It gives me the natural lash extension effect without the damage. That's the one reason why I'm not into getting lash extensions, because every single person I've seen get lash extensions, it damages their natural lashes. But I like the natural ones when I can find them. But I really wanted to try this because I could just do it at home. The only thing I don't really love is the removal process. I don't find it to be that easy. I think the bond is kind of hard to get off. I have worn these a couple of times since I filmed this video. I wore it on Thanksgiving. I really love the look. I just wish they had a better remover. The remover in this kit is kind of tiny, and I feel like you need a lot of remover to remove it safely. I did lose a little bit of lashes with trying to remove it. And I would also say this doesn't last 10 days. It probably could if you do not like to wash your face with water, but as soon as I started washing my face with water, I saw that the wisp started to lift, which I thought was interesting. The water can make the wisp lift, but the remover itself doesn't break down that bond that well. But yeah, I started to see it lift. And I mean, if you like to do, makeup remover wipes for your eyes, then that's probably completely fine. And if you don't like to cleanse your skin with water, you can just do the makeup remover wipes, but that doesn't really work for me. So that, I would say, makes the lashes lift. Overall, I will probably still use this. I just need to find a better method to remove them, just because I really like the look of them. I just need to figure out a way to get this bond broken down a little faster and a little more gentle so my eyelashes don't come out, because that defeats the purpose. But overall, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.